Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Adelina Safitri. My NPM is 244111009. I'm from Management Class 24A. So today, I want to explain the material about the environment of management. So the first slide, I want to tell you about the introduction. I want to introduce about this material first is in today's ever-changing and highly competitive business world, management cannot function in isolation, and organization success is not solely determined by its internal strategies, but also by how well it understands and responds to its improvement environment. The environment includes a wide range of internal and external factors that influence how organizations operate. These factors create both opportunities and threats that managers must constantly evaluate. Next is we're gonna talk about categories of the management environment. First, we have internal environment. So the internal environment consists of factors that are within the organization's control. These elements are directly influenced by the decision and policies made by the management team. For example, of internal environment factors, we have first is organizational structure, the formal system of roles, responsibilities, and authority. So the example of organizational culture is the shared values, beliefs, and norms that shape behavior within the organization. So about the human resources, we have employees, teams, and management staff, leadership, and also management style. For the technology and physical assets, we have equipment, system, and infrastructure used in operation. And the effective management involves optimizing these internal factors to achieve strategies, goals, and enhance organizational performance. Next we're gonna talk about the external environment. So the external environment includes all factors outside the organization that can influence its operations. Although these factors are beyond the direct control of the organization. The external environment is divided into two subcategories. First is task environment. Immediate or industry environment. This refers to external elements that have a direct and immediate impact on the organization daily operation. Managers must interact frequently with this element. Key components, we have a 5. First is customers. So the primary source of revenue, their needs and preferences must be understood. 2 is suppliers. So providers of raw materials, goods, or services. 3, we have competitors, others organizations offering similar products or services. And number 4 is partners and distributions, is channels that deliver products of the market. And 5 is the regulatory bodies, is government, agencies, or industry regulators that enforce rules and policies. Number 2 is we have a general environment or macro environment. The general environment consists of broader forces that indirectly influence the organization. These factors are often unpredictable and require long-term strategic consideration. Key elements include First is economic factors. We have inflation, interest rate, GDP growth, exchange rates, and customer purchasing power. Social cultural factors is we have social values, demographics, lifestyle changes, and public attitudes. Number three, we have political and legal factors. Is government policies, laws, regulations, and political stability. Number three, we have technological factors. Is innovations, automations, digital transformation, and R&D developments. And four is we have the natural environment, climate change, environmental sustainability, and resource availability. And number five is globalization, is internal markets, global competition, in cross-border opportunities and threats. Okay, next we're gonna talk about the importance of understanding the management environment. So understanding the environment in which an organization operates offers numerous strategic advantage. First is anticipating change. Organization can respond more quickly to environmental shifts. Number two, a risk reduction is early identification of potential threats helps in proactive decisions making. Three is opportunity identification, as organizations can discover new markets, products, or partnerships. Strategic element is ensures that internal strategies are aligned with external realities. Five, we have enhancing competitiveness. Allow the organization to stay ahead of competitors. Managers who understand their environment can make informed, flexible, and timely decisions. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you understand about this material and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.